Hey friends, today I'm sharing something super special from my childhood. This puzzle has been with me for years and now I get to solve it again with you. First up, say hello to the Heterodontosaurus. It is one of the smallest plant-eating dinosaurs. It's only about the size of a turkey. And guess what? It has 3 different types of teeth. And that is why its name literally means different toothed lizard. Next is the long-necked Brontosaurus. It was super tall and super long, but it ate only plants. Its name means thunder lizard because people thought that the ground shook when it walked. 'And finally, it's the mighty Triceratops, one of the most famous plant eaters. It has 3 big horns and a huge frill to protect itself. Some scientists think it may have used its horns to play or even to show off, something like a dinosaur crown. Three dino puzzles, 3 dino stars from my childhood to today. See you all next time.